Hello children, welcome to science class. Today we are going to discuss about plants in hilly regions and their adaptations. Okay children, so if you take the plants which are grow in hilly regions, they are very tall in size. So most of the plants which grow on hilly regions, they are very tall in size. And not only that one, so different variety of plants, they grow in different altitudes, it's different heights. Okay, so if you take the examples, for example, pine and fir, these plants, they grow in the regions where there is a lot of snowfall. Okay children, so here there is a lot of snowfall. Even though, how do the plants grow in that areas? Because they adopt some adaptations. Okay, they adopt some special features. The special features only called adaptations. So we will discuss what are the adaptations of the plants which grow in hilly regions. Okay children, so adaptations. So if you take the first adaptation, so the leaves of the plants which grow in hilly regions, they are very thick, waxy and needle shaped. So if you observe the leaves of the plant which grow in hilly regions, they are very thick and they contain wax and they are like a needle shape, protected from the cold environment. The leaves are very thick, waxy and they are needle shaped leaves. Okay, and see the second adaptation. So trees, if you observe the trees which grow in hilly regions, they are sloping branches. They have sloping branches. If you observe the branches of the trees which grow in hilly regions, they have sloping branches and they look in conical shape. They look in conical shape, means cone shape. Okay children, so why do they look in cone shape? So why do they have sloping branches? So because to slide off the snow easily, they grow in where there is lot of snowfall. When the snow falls on the trees, because of this adaptation, because of this sloping branches and conical shape, the snow easily fall off from the tree. So that's why they have sloping branches and conical shape. Okay Nana? And next one, see the third adaptation. So here mainly in these areas, in the hilly regions, we can observe the coniferous trees. Which trees? Coniferous trees. So what is meant by coniferous trees? Trees that produce cones instead of flowers are known as coniferous trees. Generally, if you observe plants which grow in our surroundings, they have flowers. That flowers carry the inside the flowers, there are seeds will be. But if you observe the plants which grow in hilly regions, they have cones instead of flowers. So that trees are known as coniferous trees. For example, pine, fir, spruce, these are example of the coniferous trees. Okay? And what is meant by cones? Cones means hard dry fruits which carry seeds. What is meant by cones? Hard dry fruits which carry seeds. Okay, so these coniferous trees we can observe mainly in the hilly regions. These are the main adaptations of plants that grow in hilly regions. What are the adaptations? First one, the leaves of the plants which grow in hilly regions are very thick, waxy and needle shape. Second one, The trees have sloping branches and looks like conical shape. Conical means cone shape. Okay? So why do they have cone shape? Because to slide off the snow easily, they have conical shape. Okay? And next one, coniferous trees. Mainly coniferous trees we can observe in these hilly regions. What is meant by coniferous trees? Trees that produce cones instead of flowers are known as coniferous trees. This is about plants that grow in hilly regions. And next we are going to discuss about plants that grow in windy regions. Okay children? Windy regions. So in the windy regions also, some of the plants may grow. Now we will discuss about the windy regions. Yes, windy regions. Okay children, so here windy regions means the places which include grasslands are known as windy regions. So here what is meant by grassland? Most of the area is covered with grass is known as grassland. Okay, so here windy regions means plants that include grassland are known as windy regions. So in these windy regions also we can observe many trees where there is lot of wind even though the plants may grow. So what are the adaptations? Means plants that grow in windy regions are flat topped or umbrella shaped plants. Umbrella shaped trees we can observe in these windy regions. Umbrella shaped trees. So why do they have umbrella shaped trees? Means because of this umbrella shaped, if there is lot of wind also, the branches and trees they won't bend and they won't break also. So if you observe at the cyclones or any time where there at that time there is a lot of strong winds will be there. Because of the strong wind, some of the branches may bend and some of them break also. So here there is a lot of wind even though the branches of trees don't break. So what is the reason? Because of this umbrella shape. These are the main adaptations of plants that grow in windy regions. Okay children, thank you.